Good morning, guys. So we are going to move on with our graphic design project. So at this point, you should have finished that personal logo. And again, that could be whatever you'd like. And now we're going to use that logo along with some other information and more design to create some type of package design. So I shared this link with you to this website that has die cut templates, like the templates they would use to cut out these different boxes. So it gives you what that layout looks like and then what the actual box would look like if you saw the box put together, okay? So scroll through here and find one that you think is interesting or looks cool or might work for some type of product that you have in mind. And you're gonna use one of these to design what the layout would look like, right? So when you find one that you think looks kind of interesting, like this one's got a handle on it, click on it, and that's going to load up some of the changes that you can make. So if you wanted to, you could click into any of these boxes or change any of the cuts that they have. And once you do that, just hit confirm and redraw, and that will reload the image down here with those changes that you've made. Okay? You don't have to make any changes. That's kind of up to you. So once you have this image right here looking the way that you want, we're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of the image. Okay? So once you have your screenshot ready to go, we're going to go use the same app that we've been using, which is that Sketches School, and we are going to load that image into our drawing. So if you hit the ... and then the arrow down and select photo, you can select the photo that we just created. Right? So we're going to enlarge that so we have our box here. And then down at the bottom, you just got to click the check mark when you're ready. Now, one thing I'm going to do, because we are going to redraw these lines so we can see them a little bit clearer, I'm going to bring the opacity down, which is the sliding scale down at the bottom, and then click the check mark. Okay? And what we're going to do is just in black, using the pen tool, we're just going to redraw this box. And again, with this step, you can make any changes that you want to. Remember that we could use that ruler to lock down to make this a lot easier for us. So anytime you're trying to make those straight lines, use the ruler, and you guys can start drawing in your design to recreate the image. And remember, you could also use the angled lines to recreate everything that we need. Okay, so once you get everything drawn out, you can go up to that ... if I can click it. Yep, and then you're just going to click the X button, and that will get rid of your image that we loaded in, and it's just going to have your drawing of the box left. Okay, so that's all we're going to do for today, is just to redraw the image of that outline. And again, you guys can pick out whatever type of box layout that you would like. You can make those changes, totally up to you. Okay, when you do finish and get that far where you've outlined the entire box, go ahead and take a screenshot or save this to your photos and share that with me on Google Classroom, please. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have fun.